Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I'm working on a IHC passenger car. I am upgrading the couplers and the wheels. Check them out. I've been working on changing the hook and horn couplers on my Rock Island passenger cars. I found a easy way of doing it. There was a video that showed how he did it. He would clip these off, the hook and horn off, and actually glue the kitty coupler or the knuckle couplers directly to the extension. This piece right here. So the first thing you do is to take off the wheels. You don't have to do that, but I am going to do it because I'm going to put some metal wheels on here. And I got my screwdriver. Went underneath, give it a little twist. Gotta start getting the peg off. Put the car on the side. Next, just snip off the hook and horn. Now you get yourself some sandpaper or a file. You sand the top of this long extension. Rough it up a little bit. I'm going to get my favorite knuckle coupler. It is the KD 148. Does have the whiskers, but I don't need it for this application. So I'm going to snip them off. Next, it's the same thing you did on this. You sand bottom part of this coupler. It makes it nice and shiny. Get yourself some CA glue. And you put a little bit on the extension. And you just have to be careful you don't get the glue on the spring. And then you glue it right on top. And then I get a little bit of baking soda. Sprinkle a little bit on. And there you go. Do the same for the other side. Now the coupler is on. Gonna have to modify the brake pads to get the wheels in. They're a little too thick. With the metal wheels, one side has an insulator. It's right there. So I'm going to keep those on one side. Alright, that one's good. I'm going to put it right back in. Repeated the process of reducing the brake pads of the second truck, making sure insulator on the other truck is opposite the front truck. I want to put it that side. Got my little test track. Need to make a little bit of adjustment on this little piece here. After you get it done, it will line up perfectly. It's one side lined up, and then the other side. No adjustment needed on the height. And that's how you put it on. Don't need a couple of bucks. Don't have to screw it in. Just snipped off the other one and glued it right on. Got one more to go, and all of them are done. And I'll show you it on the track. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.